Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Oh man, I can't believe I'm saying this. I can't believe I'm making this intro for you guys. Here it is. This is a Huda Beauty inspired look, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'm kind of nervous filming this. I know it's gonna be a voiceover, but I will do more types of videos for you guys, so let me know what you like, what you want to see. Please subscribe and comment, and follow me on my other social medias. I will list all the products I listed and used below, and if you want to see how I get this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so I'm starting off with fresh prepped and primed skin. And then I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation in the shade 420G Tofu. And I'm actually using a La Beauty Soy flat top cookie brush to blend everything in. And personally, I just like to go a little bit darker for foundation, just so it matches my body and not my face, because my face is a little bit lighter than my body, and if I match my face, like my foundation color with my face and not my body, then my face is gonna look like a white cast, and we do not want that, do we? And blending is key, guys. Blend those edges, blend them. And then of course you want to get the neck. I like to apply foundation to my neck. Okay, so next I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, and I'm using the shade Cookie Dough 14N, and I'm going to be highlighting as well as concealing with this concealer. I'm applying it under the eyes. I like to go on the sides of my nose, chin, and then my forehead, like so. I'm going to be using my Morphe sponge to blend this concealer out. I love using a sponge because I just feel like it melts everything into the skin, or like a damp beauty blender as well. My sponge is wet, of course. And then I'm going to be applying the concealer on my eyelids as well, just because it helps take away discoloration, make everything even, and then also prep for the eyelids. And then as well, blending everything out and using my sponge to make sure everything is seamless. Next, I'm taking my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in the color Banana Bread, and I'm using this to bake and set the under eye. I'm using my Morphe sponge to apply the powder just because I feel like it allows me to really grip the powder and control it a little bit better. And then the excess powder, I'm just going to use it to set my eyelids and my chin. I'm going to take my Morphe brush and then quickly dust away my powder and lightly set the rest of my face. I'm taking my Anastasia bronzer in the color Saddle, and I'm going to be using this to contour, taking it around the forehead, under the cheekbones, jawline. I love this bronzer. It's super pretty. It's like the perfect tone. It's not too orange, not too gray. It's the perfect undertone. And I'm going to be using my La Beauty brush. This is the angled kabuki, and this brush is perfect for contouring. Sometimes you'll see me a lot doing this duck face technique, and it just really helps me apply right underneath the cheekbones. I'm going to be contouring my nose, and I'm actually using one of my Morphe brushes. This was from like the Brittany Bear nose contour set, and I really like using this brush. It's just super fluffy, but like also, I don't know how to like dense brush, I would say, and it's really nice for contouring. Today I really wanted that like snatched and schnizzled look, so that's why I contour my nose. Usually I don't even really contour my nose that much, but I wanted to be a little extra today for you guys. I'm taking my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, and I'm going in with that cream shade Fiji and just taking my brush, and I'm going to start applying it right on top of my cheekbones using dabbing motions. And I'm just gonna dab, dab, and dab. Now I'm layering my cream highlight with the powder highlight also in the palette, and just going into town with that. I love highlighter. I just wanted to create that glass skin like Huda did in her tutorial, so that is what I am doing now. Finally, the star of this tutorial, I'm using my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and I'm taking the color Sandalwood in my crease. I'm using this as a transition shade, so that way when I apply my other shades, everything just blends really nicely and even. Next, I'm taking the shade 24K, and I'm going to be applying this all over the lid. I'm going to be using my fingers as well to dab on the shade as well, just because it gives more of like a high shine foil finish, and also it helps create like an extreme metallic effect. So my camera actually stopped recording and I didn't notice, but basically I applied the shade Henna and Cocoa into the crease just to deepen it. Taking my Cake Your Face glitter and applying that all over the lid in Sugar Daddy, and then going in with my Sephora liquid liner in black. And warning, right now I suck at applying liquid liner on camera, so I am going to speed this clip up just a little bit. Going in with my Anastasia Brow Wiz in the color Dark Brown, I'm going to start by filling in my brows in the front. I'm going to be doing more of a natural eyebrow look, just like what Huda did in her tutorial. She filled in her brows after eyeshadow, so that is what I'm doing now. Going in with my Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara, and I am going to be applying this all over my lashes, prepping them for falsies, which I actually didn't film myself applying fake lashes, but if you guys do want to see a tutorial with that, please let me know. For blush, I'm going to be taking my Morphe Blush Trio, and I'm going to be swirling all the colors and mixing them all in. At first, the blush looked a little bit intense, but at the end, you are going to see that I did blend that blush all out and make it look nice and seamless. And then I'm going to be going in with a lip liner, and I am going to slightly overline my lips. I do have naturally full lips, but I just always slightly overline them just because I think it makes your lips look a little bit more popping. So that is what I'm doing, and this is a max stripped down. Going in with one of my favorite lipsticks at the moment. This is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte in Day Slayer. I love this shade. I just think it's such a pretty, natural, everyday color. And then to set my makeup, I'm going to be using MAC's Fix Plus. This is the rose one. It smells so good. And then I'm going to be applying highlight in my inner corner. And then lastly, I'm going to be applying mascara to my bottom lashes to finish this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe. and let me know what you want to see in my next tutorial. Thank you guys so much.